Hello everyone, this question came in CSIR June 2018 Chemical Sciences for 4 marks, and first of all, at first look it looks very lengthy, but it is very easy and you can get free 4 marks. Now see, we have been given a compound. This is eta 5. Okay, this is Cp ligand C5H5, and this is Fe and CO, this is 2 and negative. Now it reacts with this CH3I to give a compound A. So we have to figure out of 4 which is compound A. So what happens, this is CH3I. Now this attacks nucleophilic attack here and this cleave out. So we are end up with this is Cp eta 5 Cp Fe, and we have CO2 and one this methyl group. So this is the structure we have for A, right? Now see in the option, here we have CH3I CO, and here we have now see here we have this iodine, and in this compound we don't have iodine, and we won't have because it has been cleaved out. So this cannot be the answer first. Alright, so let's cross it. Now come to the option B. So we have this CO here and CH3 group. So this can be the answer. Alright, this can be the answer. Now come to the third. Again we have iodine here and iodine here. So this cannot be the answer and this cannot be the answer. So without further proceeding, we can figure out the answer. So second is the correct answer. There is no need to go further, but for the simplicity and for the sake of solving the question, I will proceed further. Right now, in this again what we have to do is the 1H NMR spectrum of A shows 2 singlet in an integrated intensity ratio of 3:5. Right, now we can verify our answer also, 3:5. So for this Cp ligand, this is Fe, we have 5 hydrogen, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we will have 5 signals. Okay, and for this CH3 group, 3 hydrogens means 3 signals. So it is 3:5. So we can verify from here also. Now again, compound A, which is this compound, upon reaction with PPS3 triphenyl phosphine give compound B. The 1H NMR spectrum of B show 3 set of signals in an integrated intensity ratio of 3:5:15. So what will be the compound B? Now if we are doing reaction with PPS3, what will happen? One of this CO ligand will migrate in between the metal and this anionic ligand. So it is called as migratory insertion. Insertion of the neutral ligand in between the metal and the ligand. It's called migratory insertion. What will happen that to accommodate this PPS3 ligand, one of the CO will have to migrate in between this. So it migrates in between the metal and CH3, and PPS3 comes here. So the ratio is 3:5:15. So 5 this 5 comes from this Cp ligand, and this 15 comes from this PPS3 ligand. Alright, this PPS3 is phenyl ring. We have 3 phenyl rings, means 5 3s are 15 hydrogen, and this 3 comes from this hydrogen. Alright, 3 hydrogen. So this is the B structure. So it is very easy, and I haven't taken the lecture on these topics, so I am not going into the very details. I will do when I will cover in the organometallics. So for the next time, thank you, and please subscribe to the channel, and bye.